In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Airtable to make.com. We'll walk through the entire setup together step by step. So by the end, you'll have a working connection between your Airtable base and a make.com scenario that can watch your records and trigger automations. First, open your make.com account and head straight to your main dashboard. From here, look for the scenarios section. This is where all of your automations live. Go ahead and click on scenarios to open the list of any existing scenarios you might already have. Next, we're going to create a brand new scenario just for Airtable. In the top right area of the scenarios page, click on the button that says Create Scenario. This opens up the scenario editor, which is basically a blank canvas where you can add apps and define how data flows between them. In the center of the canvas, you'll see a big plus icon. Click that, and a panel with different apps and services will appear. Use the search bar to find Airtable, then click on Airtable to add it to your scenario. Now you'll see a list of available Airtable modules. For this example, choose a module that watches records, such as Watch Records. This kind of module lets make.com monitor your Airtable table and react whenever something changes, which is perfect for automations. Before the module can access your data, you need to connect your Airtable account. In the module settings, find the connection dropdown. Click the Add button there. Choose the OAuth option and make.com will open a window asking you to sign into your Airtable account and grant access. Confirm the permissions so the two tools can communicate securely. Once the connection is created, click on the base dropdown. You'll now see a list of your Airtable bases. Choose the base you want this scenario to work with. After that, open the table dropdown and select the specific table inside that base that you want to watch. Next, set the trigger field. Click on the trigger field dropdown and pick a field that Airtable will use to detect changes. For example, a last modified field. Then, choose a label field by opening the label field dropdown and selecting the field that best represents each record, such as a name or title. When you're happy with these settings, click Save in the Module window. Make sure the option is set to process all records as needed. Then click Save again to confirm the scenario configuration. Finally, click Run Once to test your scenario. This will check the connection to Airtable, pull in some records, and confirm that